Today we'll be making jack-o'-lantern stuffed bell pepper. Cut your preferred bread into cubes. You can actually use rice instead of bread, diba? We will also need 1 whole red onion, 1 whole garlic, and 1 whole large tomato. For seasoning, we will use pepper, chili garlic sauce, salt, Worcestershire sauce, and yellow mustard. You will also need half a kilo of minced beef or pork, and of course, 4 pieces of large bell peppers. In a mixing bowl, mix all your ingredients except for the cheese. Comment down below your favorite Halloween experience and your favorite Halloween costume. Ako kasi, never nakapag-trick or treat. Hindi naman uso yan sa Pilipinas dati, di ba? Naka-attend na lang ako ng Halloween party nung matanda na ako. Continue mixing and add 2 eggs. Cover, then marinate for 4 hours up to overnight. Since this is my Halloween recipe, I needed to carve my bell peppers. But you don't need to do this step if you are having this on a normal day. There you go, jack-o'-lanterns are ready. Ang cute niya, no? Preheat your oven at 175 degrees Celsius. Then stuff your bell peppers with the meat mixture. Then add your grated cheese on top. Cover, then bake for 30 to 45 minutes. Tada! Here's the jack-o'-lantern stuffed bell pepper. I hope you'll try this recipe in time for the Halloween. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload a new recipes. Always remember, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!